Ever found yourself craving chicken masala? Or maybe you're on the hunt for a new recipe to spice up your culinary repertoire? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving into the world of Italian-American cuisine to explore the delightful, savory realm of chicken marsala. In essence, chicken marsala is a simple yet flavorful dish that boasts the perfect balance of tender chicken and a rich, mushroom-infused wine sauce. It's a recipe that's not only enticing to the taste buds, but also straightforward to prepare, even for those who might not consider themselves kitchen wizards. Start by preparing 4 pieces of chicken breasts, legs or thighs. Pound them to an even thickness, this ensures even cooking, and season them with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Next, dredge the seasoned chicken in half a cup of all-purpose flour. Make sure to shake off any excess flour. We're aiming for a light, even coating that'll give our chicken that desirable golden brown finish. Now it's time to bring out your skillet. Heat 2 tablespoons each of butter and olive oil over medium heat. Once the skillet is hot, add the chicken. Cook each side for 4 to 5 minutes until they're golden brown and fully cooked. Once done, remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside. Don't clean that skillet just yet. We're going to use those delicious chicken drippings to sauté our mushrooms. Add the remaining butter and olive oil to the skillet, then toss in a cup of sliced mushrooms. Cook them until they've browned to unlock a deeper flavor profile. Now for the star of the show, the Marsala wine. Pour in a cup of Marsala wine and half a cup of chicken broth into the skillet. Let this simmer and reduce for about 10 minutes. You'll see the sauce start to thicken, and the aroma wafting from the skillet will be nothing short of mouth-watering. Once the sauce has thickened, return the chicken to the skillet. Let it simmer in the sauce for a few more minutes. This allows the chicken to absorb all the wonderful flavors from the Marsala wine and mushrooms. Finally, sprinkle the dish with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley. This adds a pop of color and a hint of freshness that perfectly complements the rich sauce. And there you have it. An easy-to-follow recipe for a hearty, flavorful chicken marsala. It's a dish that's as delightful to prepare as it is to eat. Whether you're serving it up for a weeknight dinner or presenting it at a special occasion, chicken marsala is a surefire hit that's guaranteed to impress. Enjoy this taste of Italian-American cuisine.